Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best 4K drones in 2026, from professional aerial photography drones to beginner-friendly quadcopters. Whether you want cinematic footage, smart tracking, or an affordable starter drone, this list covers the best options available. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Professional 4K drone with touchscreen controller. This professional drone features a touchscreen tablet remote controller, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, 84 minutes of flight time, and an impressive 5-mile control range. It also includes GPS auto return, payload release, 50 times zoom, time-lapse shooting, and rainproof protection. This is easily the most advanced drone on the list. The 3-axis gimbal produces extremely smooth and stable footage, making it perfect for professional video creation. The long battery life and obstacle avoidance system provide a safe and reliable flying experience. The touchscreen controller makes operation easier and more intuitive. Pros: professional 3-axis gimbal stabilization, very long 84-minute flight time, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, 5-mile control range, professional video features and zoom, rainproof and durable build. Cons: expensive compared to other options, maybe too advanced for beginners. The best choice for professionals and serious drone users who want top-tier performance and cinematic video quality. Number 2. Holystone HS710 4K GPS drone. The HS710 comes with a 4K camera, GPS positioning, optical flow positioning, auto return home, follow me mode, and brushless motors. It also features 5G FPV transmission and a foldable design. This drone is known for its reliable performance and strong flight stability. GPS and optical flow technology help maintain precise positioning, while the auto return feature adds safety. It's very easy to control, making it ideal for beginners who want advanced features. Pros: excellent GPS stability, trusted brand reliability, smooth and stable flight performance, auto return home safety feature, beginner-friendly controls. Cons: average camera stabilization, flight time not as long as premium models, a dependable and well-balanced drone offering great features for beginners and intermediate users. Number 3. GPS 4K drone G9 Foldable RC Quadcopter. This foldable GPS drone features a 4K camera, brushless motor, follow me mode, long flight time, and 5G FPV transmission. It weighs under 249 grams for easier portability. The GPS positioning improves flight accuracy and stability, especially outdoors. The follow me mode works well for recording activities like cycling or hiking. It offers good performance and solid value for the price. Pros: GPS positioning for stable flight, lightweight under 249G design, good flight time and distance, follow me tracking feature, great value for money. Cons: limited obstacle avoidance, camera stabilization could be better. A strong mid-range drone that balances smart features, performance, and affordability. Number 4. Mini drone with 4K dual cameras. This foldable mini drone includes dual 4K cameras, brushless motors, altitude hold, waypoint flying, 1-key takeoff and landing, and 3 speed modes. The dual camera system allows flexible shooting angles, while the brushless motors improve durability and reduce noise. Waypoint flight helps automate movement and capture smoother footage. Pros: dual camera system, durable brushless motors, foldable and portable design, stable flight features, multiple speed settings. Cons: average battery performance, limited transmission range, camera not professional level. A good option for beginners wanting more features and flexibility than basic entry-level drones. Number 5. 4K camera drone for kids and beginners. This beginner-friendly drone includes emergency stop, headless mode, 360-degree flips, and 2 batteries. It's lightweight, portable, and designed for simple operation. This drone focuses on ease of use and affordability. The controls are simple, making it perfect for first-time users or younger pilots. While the camera quality is basic, it's suitable for casual use. Pros: very easy to use, affordable price, lightweight and portable, emergency stop safety feature, extra battery included. Cons: basic camera performance, limited range and stability, not ideal for strong wind. A great starter drone for kids and beginners who want a simple flying experience. Thanks for watching. Links to all these drones are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and tech comparisons. See you in the next video.